So you're gonna feel this all the way down your back here.
What? I'm scared.
Breath in.
Wait, hold on.
You okay? And breath out.
Oh! Oh, snap! Okay, that's not bad. I was scared of my whole.
So you can just relax this for me. I'm gonna start with this side.
Oh yeah, that felt good.
And then press your elbow back into me. Easy. And same thing here, press back. Oh my gosh. Too easy. Okay, nice and relax for me. Wonderful. Low back here. Stop it.
Oh my god.
Stop it.
That's crazy. Jesus.
What was that?
Come here and get your right.
So yep, just nice and relaxed for me. Drop this head down. A lot of tension here.
Ooh.
Wow. Wow. It's a good start there. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh my goodness. Wow. Get the mid back right here. Nice and relaxed. Nice. And another one. Good. Nice and relaxed. Wonderful. Wow. Couple more here. Oh my gosh. You're unreal, man. So you're just gonna drop your head down. Nice and relaxed. There it is.
Oh, that felt so good.
Wow.
Yeah, that was right. Holy cow.
That was massive. Breath in and out. Almost came off the table.
I know. I need to like. I need to wet. No, I just need to wet my socks so next time I come in, so I don't get yanked through the drywall.
My goodness.
I
feel like there was no friction there.
I was just ready for it.
Yeah.
I oiled my body down in preparation.
How much weight have you lost?
I have a crippling addiction to having my head driven through the drywall.
All right. First magic hug. Here we go.
Okay.
Just drop your head down for me. Nice and relaxed.
God. That's wild. Oh my goodness.
Nice and relaxed. Wow. Blowing up.
Yeah.
Another one here. Nice. Breath in. Let it out.
Oh my God. Wow. You're right, you feel that all the way down to the base of your spine. That's
Pretty
ridiculous.
cool.
Yeah, pretty ridiculous. That's perfect.
Nice and relaxed. Feel a little lift up. There we go.
Yeah, that's the first time for that one.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have you press your elbow right back into me. Yep. Great one. Just take a breath in for me and let it out.
I bit my toe!
Nice and relaxed. Really good.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
That was nuts.
So low back here. There we go. Nice one. So I'm gonna have you take a breath in for me and let it out.
Oh my God. God. That was good.
Yeah.
Oh man. What? Jesus Christ. Yeah.
How far down did you feel that?
All the way down. All the way down. Like all the way, I mean, all the way down. Yeah, for sure.
Perfect.
Yep, that opened up everything. Oh my God. All right, we're good.